Developing a robust, differentiated pipeline and ensuring best-in-class product launches is a critical pillar for growth in our region. Ensuring success requires 1. A comprehensive selection process. 2. Effective project management to bring the new product to market. 3. A strategic product and brand launch process. In order to support the pipeline development and successful product launch in your country, we have developed a set of initiatives and tools that will enable you to succeed in this journey. First, we have developed Growth Markets Regional Selection Process. This is a customizable process that aims to identify the ideal products and business opportunities according to your country's specific space, strategy, and unmet needs. This is also a robust process that will maximize regional opportunities through cross-country collaborative ideation sessions. There are 2 ways for screening potential new product ideas. The top-down approach, in which opportunities with commonalities across countries in the region are identified by the regional marketing therapeutic area heads, their medical counterparts, and the regional portfolio selection team. These opportunities are then analysed and screened during the pre-pit, product identification, and pit meetings. The output of this top-down screening exercise is a proposed list of products per therapeutic area to be evaluated by each country. The bottom-up approach, in which countries collect additional product ideas based on local insights and needs to be included in this screening exercise. The next step for each country is to analyse every proposed product quantitatively and qualitatively, supported by a business case. This initial business case will be reviewed during New Product Selection (NPS) meeting, facilitated by Regional Portfolio, and a go, no-go decision will be made on whether the product is approved or not for pipeline (AFP). In order to support you in building the business case, we have created business forecasting models for specialty, branded generics, and INN products. Forecasting assumptions for the patients, units, sales, and S&M investment will be determined by marketing. Portfolio will consolidate all P&L variables, including COGS, G&A expenses, R&D expenses, RA expenses, etc. The consolidated P&L format has been standardized by our regional financial colleagues to ensure alignment and ease of use.
Make sure to participate in the forecasting workshop conducted by Finance, led by Keren Koshitsky and Yoav Kaspi. The training and the support to follow by Finance will help you build a robust business case with a clear rationale.
Once the potential products are approved in the NPS meeting, there will be a feasibility phase that aims to set the product development strategy. This strategy includes the assessment of elements such as IP, R&D, regulatory, manufacturing and supply chain, among others. The costs and risks related to all of these elements are quantified and evaluated during the PRC meetings, Product Review Committee, facilitated by Regional Portfolio. The output of the PRC meeting is an approved strategy to bring the product to market, including an updated business case that now takes into account also the updated timelines and required investments to bring the product to the markets. In addition, a project is opened in PLM, Product Lifecycle Management System.
Please leverage the opportunity to get involved in the new product selection process that will drive our growth. Look forward and be a proactive participant in this process. The subject matter expert to support the new pipeline selection process is Ursula Geister.
The Regional Portfolio team will execute the development strategy for those products approved in the PRC meeting. They will ensure the project is timely performed by aligning critical functional regional areas as regulatory, R&D, legal, TGO, supply chain, among others, in a stage-gate process to mitigate risks, conducted during the pipeline review meetings, PRM, and legal and launch meeting. The output of these meetings is the definition of critical elements as project timelines, submission, approval, launch, etc. availability of supply, timely trademarks registration, IP strategy, and regulatory requirements, among others. As we progress towards the launch, the marketing team will be providing deeper analysis of the expected sales and marketing expenses. All of these back-end processes will ensure that we can bring the product to the market at the earliest possible time with the coordinated support from all functions, thus maximizing the value of the product in the market. From a front-end perspective, we also have to ensure that our key stakeholders, KOLs, physicians, pharmacists and patients paired to prescribe, dispense and use our product and are willing to pay or reimburse for it. The launch readiness teams, LRTs, are established early on, 18 to 24 months ahead of launch, depending on the product, at a country level and regional level as needed. To ensure market preparedness, these timelines should allow the LRT to ensure readiness to launch on time. Launch date, from a front-end perspective, is defined as the date the product is expected to finalize the first sale and receive the first invoice. The recommended timelines to set up an LRT is 24 months prior to launch for GSM products and 18 months prior to launch for branded generics. The LRT is a cross-functional team coordinated by marketing and includes medical, market insights, sales force effectiveness, patient support programs, launch management, government affairs, health economics, outcomes research, HEOR, and pricing as core team members. Our functional areas such as portfolio, regulatory, supply, finance, compliance and legal will also be invited on an ad hoc basis in order to ensure full alignment. The top two deliverables of the LRTs are the project management plan and brand strategy. Where applicable, in addition to the local LRTs, there might also be similar structured regional and global teams. The project management plan is a set of activities, roles and responsibilities listed in the launch readiness checklist and summarized in the Gantt chart that outline the steps needed to ensure successful front-end product launch. The brand strategy, summarized in the new product brand plan template, reflects the visions and strategic plan that will differentiate the product in the market.
Look forward for the different tools available to support LRTs during the project plan and establishing the brand strategy. The subject matter experts to support the tools and setup of your local LRTs are Richard Van Witzenberg and Ho Chung Sim.
Once the product strategy is being executed and the LRT is set up, a fully developed business case with all variables in the forecasting model used during the pipeline selection phase must be developed and approved for a go, delay, launch confirmation. Last but not least, the PLM system will continue to be the platform that tracks and consolidates the status of the new products from pit to launched. Any details from the development of the new products until their commercial launch, including the product's business case, will be available in PLM. The information in PLM should be kept up to date, as there are many functions depending on the latest updates. This is your responsibility. We're counting on you.
Teva Growth Markets regional teams are working to support your country's growth path. Over the coming weeks, you will be introduced to more details on the product selection, product and brand launch processes and tools to position ourselves for success. Developing a healthy pipeline and successfully launching our products will support Teva's purpose of improving health and making people feel better.